Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook prime rib in the oven. First, choose a prime rib roast, ideally weighing between 3 and 7 pounds, ensuring it fits comfortably in your roasting pan. Allow the roast to rest at room temperature for at least 1 hour before you begin, which promotes even cooking. Generously season all surfaces with a simple dry rub, perhaps using a blend of coarse salt, freshly ground black pepper, and dried rosemary. This initial step builds foundational flavor for a truly delicious roast. Preheat your oven to a gentle 250 degrees Fahrenheit, creating an ideal environment for slow cooking. Place the well-seasoned prime rib, fat side up, on a sturdy rack within a shallow roasting pan. This allows air to circulate evenly. Begin roasting for about 25 to 30 minutes per pound, or until the internal temperature reaches approximately 120 degrees Fahrenheit for a rare finish. This low and slow method ensures a tender, juicy interior. Once your prime rib reaches its initial target internal temperature, carefully remove it from the oven and set it aside. Immediately increase your oven temperature to a scorching 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat is key to our next step. Return the roast to this much hotter oven for just 10 to 15 minutes, creating an irresistible, deeply browned, and crispy crust. This final sear locks in moisture and adds a delightful textural contrast. After its high heat finish, transfer the prime rib to a carving board without delay. It is crucial to tent the roast loosely with aluminum foil, allowing it to rest and redistribute its precious juices evenly. This essential resting period, lasting at least 20 to 30 minutes, ensures every slice remains incredibly tender and moist. Skipping this step would result in dry meat, so be patient for the best outcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.